Hey, hey, hey. So I just absolutely could not wait. I had to play with my citrus twist today. And I'm sure you can't blame me because it was just awesome. Anyway, I'm going to try and do this differently. I don't know if I want to do it just all here because I kind of have it all laid out. But you can't see them all very well. So I think I'll stick with what I know and move this best I can. And then just bring you guys in. Okay, it might be too far. Hee hee hee. There we go. A little bit better, I guess. Anyway, these are just pictures of my... That's my youngest son, the one in the gray. And then the one in the red and jeans is my god boy. It's my god baby. And on my journaling card, you'll see where I put Gabriel, my son, the oldest, youngest, excuse me, does not like to be touched. He is not a fan, and I respect that. If I ask him for a hug and he says no, I'm cool with that. And even like my mom, she's like, okay, you know. Malachi, he is what, 3? He has no concept that Michael does not want to be, or Gabriel does not want to be touched. And so when he started climbing all over him, I just kept my eye on him, you know, because I didn't want Gabriel to get out of hand and, you know, upset and end up hurting Malachi or something, because Gabriel is very, very strong. So I just kept my eye on him, made sure everything was cool, copacetic. So anyway, I'm using all my citrus twist kit for September, and I brought in some sprinklies just because, sorry for the glare, there's normally not a whole lot of sprinkles in it. Now this is a citrus twist that I got out of that. That's what I get it out of. I got it out of... Anyway, sorry. One of my children needs attention, and he's not being quick enough with it, so I'm going to continue to record. So, anyway, I brought these in from the warehouse box that I purchased, and I could not tell you when it was, but it's been a while now. And pink. There we go. Anyway, so that's the only extra that I brought in, is what I'm trying to say here. That is taking me all day. So I went ahead and typed my journaling out, and I used the card that isn't really like a card, it's just a thank you letter, thank you note. And I wanted to use today, but I don't want it to cover up life happening. So I was at doggone Walmart today and did not get me a new pen. Anyway, this is one of the die cuts from the ephemera pack. Oh my goodness, I can smell the tacos cooking. Anyway, down here on the bottom it says where and when, which I don't plan on filling that in. So I need to figure out how to cover up where. what about, oh, that's not too bad. I was going to use this one on the first one, but, oh, no, it wasn't. I was going to use it on this other one, but you'll see why I couldn't in a minute. I am trying to keep it pretty simple because, for one, I don't want to have to do a voiceover. For two, I like to keep these, I've noticed, I think I like them simpler because there is normally, if you use too much stuff, in my opinion, of course, it gets to looking too busy. If you make them all gaudy, it's going to look crazy to me. Okay, and these are just some ephemera pieces I wanted to jot down here. These all came from the ephemera pack. Came with these little hearts in it. It's cute. It looks like notebook paper. Got the little red line and everything on the side. Too cute. Okay, let's bring in some enamels. Yeah, let's stick with enamels on this one. Big pink one down here. Yeah, I think I'm done. Okay. Okay, so this is the one. I went ahead and stamped out this is from the stamp set of the month, the $13 one. And look, I think I did awesome. Anyway. Anyway, I thought I was doing pretty good because most layouts are not going to need a deer on them. But I thought it was cute because it was different. And they're like my little deers. My little dearies. So, anyway. I don't want to cover her head up too much though, so I don't know if you can see her there. Sorry, my daughter is texting me and I can't look at that and talk to you at the same time because, you know, that's just kind of how I am. Two things at one time is a bit much for me. Toss him, Bambi. No, okay. But I also, the way I had it set before, this was covering them all up, and I was like, that's not going to work. There's no point in using it if it's going to be covered up. And then this little piece that says break the rules. I thought that was cute. Pretty sure I have a heart on every single layout in this particular layout. I'm going to put all of them up at the top up there. Here we go. Oh, it's cute. Now this one's the biggest picture, and I wanted to keep it that way so you could kind of see what was going on there, because I mentioned it in my journaling, so I wanted to make sure that it could actually be seen. So that's why I went simple with this here embellishments. Come back here. I'm sorry if you can hear my kids. Like, I can't catch a break with them. Literally. They just, somebody always needs me. Anyway, I fuss about that every time I do a video, don't I? It's all good. Okay. That was one of the enamel dots. Not dots, stickers. From this month's Citrus Twist kit. I'm going to throw 2 dots down here. And I think I'll be done. And then this is them 2 wrestling on the couch. See, JoJo, I'm not a tyrant. I let them goof off. I may have stopped it, but but you know me. I'm the unfun aunt. I'm the one that they don't want to go see. But as this says, this is them. And they're kids, you know? So, I mean, I let them get away with running around here and there. But I thought it was cute because it says, this is us. Busy. Sorry, JoJo, if you do not feel the same. If you're watching this. Come on, get in there. But, that, I think, brings us to a close, my friends. I really hope you have had close to the amount of crafty time that I have had today, because I finally got my on her head. I finally got my storage correct figured out, so I'm able to record and store some things. Now I think this needs a border. No, I'm not going to do that. Well, yeah, I think I will with the white though. Well, is that going to show at all? No, not really. I wish I had like a gray pen. Anyway. Bring you guys back out, show you what we got. Sorry, I know you're moving. And then I'm going to make tacos, my friends. It is Taco Saturday. Forget Tuesday. We don't put restrictions on our tacos around this place. Alright. See if I can get it without a glare. That's it, guys. Hope you guys are having a great day. And again, craft, craft, craft. Alright, see you guys next time. Don't forget to check me out on all the social medias. And if you feel led to subscribe, I wouldn't be mad at you. Alright, see you later. Bye.